Welcome back to LearnEarnCrypto channel. Today, we'll do a quick review on some of the altcoin charts. NANO against US dollar. This looked like a breakout on 31st October, reaching a high of 7.6 US dollars. But the price went back down and closed at 5.7 US dollars. As mentioned, you may consider buying on the breakout of diagonal resistance only when the price closed above it on the daily time frame. It is now attempting to break out again, and the lower moving average will be crossing the 200-day moving average soon. Watch out for volume spike to confirm the breakout. If you are a first-time buyer of this coin, you may use 25% of your capital for your first tranche to buy on the breakout of the diagonal resistance, and then you can add volume later on. For most altcoins, what appreciates up to 10% or more can easily retrace, so your stop loss will most likely get hit. VeChain against US dollar. I have added volume to my current position at 16 cents. This is my last buy order and will be sitting and waiting to sell when the bull market is about to end. Take note that I have established my position at lower price, so buying at 16 cents will not have significant impact to my average. For those who bought at breakout of the diagonal resistance line, you can track your average price and plan to add your next tranche away from your current average. ZEN against US dollar. Almost similar to NANO price chart, where there was a price spike reaching 131 US dollars from opening price at 77 US dollars. That's a 68% price increase, but still close below the diagonal resistance. Unlike the NANO coin, this has broken the diagonal resistance and will now look to break the resistance at 103 or 109 US dollars. Now let's look at some of the altcoins that are currently in support area. ZIL against US dollar. Price is currently trading near the trendline support where you can consider buying. If it breaks, then the next immediate support will be around 9 cents. Either you cut your loss or start building your position on this area. Synthetics Network token is another altcoin that is previously trading near the trendline support. Now it has bounced and trading around 10 US dollars. One may consider to buy at support at around $9 and buy on the breakout of the diagonal resistance line. AION against US dollar is another altcoin that is currently consolidating near the support area. Looking at the weekly chart, a short-term trading or short-term swing trade where you can sell at 25 cents can give you a gain of almost 50%. Or a multi-month swing trade and selling at 50 cents can give you a 3x return. Now let's look at the Bitcoin price. The daily price action is showing some weakness and we are seeing a bearish divergence in the daily time frame. We can see a higher high in the price and a lower high in the RSI indicator. We saw the same bearish divergence happen last August, where it shows a higher high in the price and a lower high in the RSI. This could mean Bitcoin will consolidate or we will see a correction. Bitcoin is most likely building a base above 60,000 US dollars. Will the support at 62,000 US dollars holds, or are we going to see the price to drop below 60,000? The next support will be around 57 to 58,000 US dollars. If Bitcoin continued to consolidate above 60,000, then this will be good for altcoins. That's all for today. If you like this content, do subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.